Hello and welcome. Today we will be unboxing the Intel NUC 8 mini PC kit. The NUC 8 weighs around 1.2 kilograms and comes packed with a power brick, VESA mount and a small selection of tools. Inside this little beast you'll find an i7-8809G 3.1 GHz quad-core processor and an AMD Radeon RX Vega MGH graphics card capable of running your favourite games on high to ultra graphics. The NUC 8 comes available as a bare bones kit and does not include an SSD or DRAM, giving you the option to pick and choose from your favourite brands. Not only is this PC highly portable and moddable, it's one of the smallest and most powerful NUC packages available, meaning it's the perfect PC when you're heading to LAN. And with the VESA mount, it can be mounted onto the back of any monitor with VESA mount support. Get your Intel NUC 8 today at eBay.com.